Stop wasting money on expensive store-bought serums that promise amazing results but don't always deliver. Make this potent green herbal oil at home instead. It helps nourish your scalp, reduce dandruff, support healthier looking hair growth, and strengthen thin, fragile hair. Now let me show you exactly how to make it.
1, 2, 3.
Here I have my grinder, and starting off, the first ingredient I'll be using is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are an absolute hair care powerhouse. They are naturally packed with plant protein and a unique mucilage structure. These components work together to help strengthen weak, damaged hair, reduce breakage, and deeply condition dry strands from the inside out. For our second ingredient, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids and highly concentrated vitamin E. This combination provides deep nourishment to your hair follicles, supports scalp health, and helps protect the hair from free radical damage. Now I'll be using 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. Cloves are an exceptional scalp stimulant powered by a natural compound called eugenol. Eugenol is known for helping support healthy blood circulation to the scalp, and when massaged into the skin through our herbal oil, cloves help deliver oxygen and nutrients directly to the hair follicles. Our fourth ingredient is 1/3 cup of dried curry leaves. Curry leaves have been used for generations as a traditional remedy for maintaining healthy hair growth. And when infused into hair oils, they provide vitamin B complex, antioxidants, and beta-carotene that help nourish your roots and support damaged hair. Our fifth ingredient is fresh watercress, and I've already washed it thoroughly and allowed it to completely dry so no excess water spoils our oil. I'm chopping it into smaller pieces before adding it into the grinder with all of the herbs so that they can blend together evenly. Watercress is naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the scalp and support healthier hair growth. This is what the chopped watercress looks like, and I'm going to be adding it right into my grinder. Now let's close the grinder and blend everything together. Grinding all of the ingredients increases the surface area, allowing the olive oil to extract more of their beneficial proteins, vitamins, antioxidants, and other plant compounds. This process creates a richer, more concentrated herbal infusion while helping preserve delicate nutrients during the heating process. This is what it looks like after grinding. I'm now going to take a pan and add the entire herbal mixture into it. Now I'm adding about 250 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil to the mixture, and I'm going to stir everything together until it is well combined. Now let's transfer the mixture into a glass jar. We are going to be using the double boiler method to heat the mixture gently so we do not destroy any of the valuable nutrients. The towel will act as a thermal cushion, preventing the glass jar from coming into direct contact with the hot metal pan. And it also helps reduce vibrations from the boiling water so the jar doesn't rattle or tip over. After letting this simmer over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes and continuously stirring throughout that time, you can now take it off the stove once it looks like this. Make sure to let the oil cool down completely before you touch the jar. Never try to strain hot oil because you could burn yourself and it could make the straining process more difficult. Now I'm going to use a bowl and a cheesecloth to strain out the oil. This is all the leftover particles that we filtered out. And here it is, our finished herbal hair oil. This blend is incredibly powerful. It helps nourish your scalp, support healthy hair growth, deeply moisturize dry hair, and strengthen weak, brittle strands to help reduce breakage. Even if you have fine or thinning hair, regular use with this oil may help your hair look fuller and healthier over time. And trust me, if you make this oil at home, your hair will thank you. Like I said, it's packed with nourishing natural ingredients that work together to support stronger, healthier looking hair while helping you reach your hair growth goals naturally. I'm now going to grab a clean container to store in my new batch. I'm going to be using a glass jar, but you can use any clean jar, dropper bottle, or amber glass bottle that you have at home. And wow, look at that rich, potent green color. This beautiful emerald shade shows exactly how concentrated and powerful this herbal blend truly is. Every single ingredient brings its own unique vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds to help nourish your scalp and hair. And I promise your hair is going to absolutely love it. Guys, always remember to slightly dampen or wet your hair with water before applying any oil. Oil helps to lock in moisture, so applying it to damp hair helps seal in that moisture into your hair. Never forget to gently massage the oil into your scalp for 2 to 7 minutes to help stimulate blood circulation. And for the best results, use this oil 3 to 4 times a week. I now want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarlane, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. The first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you'll get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dye Your Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level, plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description box will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!